About this item: Keychron C1, a Tenkeyless, 87 keys, hot-swappable white backlight USB Type-C wired mechanical keyboard made for Mac and Windows. Customized per key typing experience to maximize your productivity on the C1 hot-swappable version without soldering needs. Designed with reliability in mind, the C1 comes with USB Type-C wired connection with a detachable cable, which ensures a constant power supply, and best to fit home, office, and light gaming use while connecting with your laptop or PC. Inclined bottom frame and 2-level adjustable feet makes the C1 more comfortable to type. With a unique Mac layout, the C1 has all the necessary multimedia and function keys while still being compatible with Windows. Extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows operating systems are included. Engineered with double-shot ABS keycaps allows the charming white LED backlight shine through the legends with a subtle feeling. The C1's backlight and comes with different styles, flashing, breathing, or static white, etc., which will match up to your mood. The C1 gives the freedom to customize per key typing experience without soldering. The pre-installed Gateron G Pro mechanical red switch provides unrivaled linear responsiveness with a durable 50 million keystroke lifespan. The C1's hot-swappable socket switch is compatible with almost all the MX-style 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches on the market, including Gateron, Cherry, Kyle, etc. SMD LED compatible switches are the best for showing the backlights. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: Keychron C1, a Tenkeyless, 87 keys, hot-swappable white backlight USB Type-C wired mechanical keyboard made for Mac and Windows. Customized per key typing experience to